Sup? Alright, so I've been waiting on parts for the TVR7, so I can't really go any further until those come in. That being said, we really didn't have any footage for this week, so I talked to John and was like, hey man, do you have anything? He says, well, kinda. So we all know John is the king of finding something for cheap. So he found an early 2000s TTR 125, but it needed a new front end on it. In a matter of 2 days, he finds another bike with no motor, with a good front end. So he says, I'll get us a video, just hold on. So John came in clutch with this video. That being said, let's get after it.
Hey, this is John from Rattle King Customs. I am going to take both these TTR 125s and make one good bike out of it today. Boy, that thing's twisted in there good. You ever had a bolt that just tries your patience? This is just one of them. I don't know if you can see that or not on the camera, but this thing's got a bow to it. Lay it up against this, watch when I'm rotating it. It'll arch up in the middle. Yeah, this bolt here is trash. Well, this tire is good, but that rim is definitely is not. Not unless you got some salsa for that chip. Okay, check this out. The BBR's front springs, they go all the way to the top. The factory TTR, they got a tube and the spring's way down there. Hopefully I got this positioned so you can see what I'm doing. These springs are way down inside of it because these are factory springs. So hopefully I can fish them out of here. Factory, aftermarket. That's pretty incredible. Yep, they fit the same as the other one. Just a drop-in replacement like they said on the website. That's pretty cool. I paid $300 for the whole parts bike, and it had $200 worth of suspension parts. There's a bunch of videos of how to do this online already. Now I'm just going to see if I can hurry up and get it done, but I wanted to show you how bad the bearings are in this neck. Yeah, that's what that kind of accident will do to it. So I'm going to inspect the race on the inside. Hopefully it's not damaged, which I'm quite sure it is. If it is, I'm going to have to buy another race or another bearing set. I was hoping I can use bearings off the other one. Well, actually it looks pretty good where the bearings right at. I think we'll be alright. Okay, I took the front end off the parts bike. The bearings look pretty good. I'm not doing a full restore. It works, I'm going to ride it. And I put them on this. Look at that. Good and smooth. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm going to take this seat and put it on the other bike. I think this seat looks better. I mean, they're both in bad shape, but I've had worse. Let's put it that way. Yes, I've already pulled the side bolts out of it. One here and one on the other side. Looks good to me. Okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this BBR exhaust off. I'm going to clean the spark arrestor, and I'm going to clean all the rust off of this and repaint it all. Found my wire wheel, and I'm going to clean this up. Okay, I wire wheeled the whole pipe down, got it as clean as I can possibly get it without spinning forever on it. And I'm going to wipe it down with some degreaser or rubbing alcohol. I haven't decided yet, and then I'm going to paint it. threw it back on there. Got her all painted up. Looks so much better. See how carbon gets built up? This is pretty good. I've seen them a whole lot worse than this. There you go. I mean, it wasn't really bad, but that's how you do clean them. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for it for this video. I got the exhaust repainted. I got the spark arrestor cleaned out. I think it's doing pretty good now. That was a big accomplishment. Well, we got it adjusted.
I like it. It sounds good. Sounds real good. Hammer that throttle one good time, Bo. Ooh. Dude, that sounds so good. All right, so you started out with like a $400 wrecked bike and the front end was a potato chip. Found the donor, got the front end off it, the whole complete front end. John, what is the total on this you have now?
We got about $700 in the whole bike.
The whole bike. I'm good with it.
I've paid more for worse.
Right, we both have.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
Till next time, get up, get out there, and get after it.